Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE wall holder for your hand shower. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. First, let's take a look at the parts you'll need. To attach your new wall holder to the wall, all you need is a spirit level and a screwdriver, and this mounting set. Of course, it doesn't hurt to take a look at the enclosed installation manual, but you can watch the installation video instead. So, let's get started. First of all, prepare the bracket. Stick the mounting plate from the mounting set into the bracket. Then attach them to one another using the corresponding screw. Before attaching the wall holder to the wall, clean the surface that will be glued with the cleaning wipe. Now remove the foil from the wall holder, open the glue tube and apply the tube on the bracket. Then align the wall holder with a spirit level and affix to the wall. Make sure that the larger of the two openings for the hand shower is facing upwards. Now leave the glue to harden for 24 hours. Done! That was easy, wasn't it? If necessary, the mounting plate can be easily removed again. This is done by loosening the mounting plate with a scraper or pliers and then cleaning the glued area. And that's it!